Color can be a great way to represent a variety of different emotions, but there are some colors that are associated with specific emotions, like the color of danger. In nature, you can find all kinds of colors, but there are some that just screams, "Do not eat me." This alerting signal is called aposematism. Of course, in nature, it's not just color, there are certain shapes or patterns that suggest danger. But when it comes to colors of danger in nature, the most prominent ones are red, black, yellow, and orange. The reason why red is dangerous, to no surprise, is that it represents the color of blood, and it is an innate response that humans have to seeing the color red. Or so you might think. Here's the problem. The perception of red being dangerous is not the default. It's most likely caused by association. What is true is that red has been shown to be a color of interest, a color that grabs attention more than others. And there's a study that shows just this. The study was done on infants aged 4 to 6 months old, and they were shown a pair of colored circles, those being red, yellow, green, and blue, with both the light and dark variation on a gray background. These pairs were shown so that all possible pairs were seen, and the results found that the infants observed light red and dark yellow longer than any other color, as well as avoided dark green and light blue the most. What this suggests is that red is a color that brings attention, but the perception of danger is attached through conditioning. Red means stop, red means pain, and red means a virus. Oh wait, that's just the Adobe logo. But what about black and yellow, the classic color of bees? Why do they indicate danger? Just like with the color red, the main reason why black and yellow indicate danger is due to association. And the reason why this pair works is because the colors have high contrast. And the study also lets us know that dark yellow is a color of high interest, which may be why things like taxis at night are more visible. When it comes to orange, it's probably not a shock that it is yet again a color that stands out. And because it stands out, it has a good chance of having a strong association with it, such as with signs, cones, and vests. But when it comes to colors that are actually dangerous and may cause damage or harm, is photosensitive epilepsy. It is caused by flashing lights, and it can even occur with colors. Red light in particular is more likely to cause an epileptic seizure. This happens because the overstimulation of the neurons causes it to send too much signal where nearby neurons fire signals uncontrollably. When it comes to colors that are dangerous, the traits they seem to have in common are attention-grabbing, high-contrast colors. But some may have noticed that color alone isn't a way to indicate danger. For example, if I showed you a picture of just black and yellow, the sense of danger isn't really there. But what if I showed you a black and yellow frog or a black and yellow caterpillar? Now it feels a little more uncomfortable. And I think the reasoning behind this is the shape. But that will be a topic for another video.